am Hassana Ibrahim Al-Kadi. Let's talk accountability, and this show will let us through the relevant laws enacted in Nigeria. Do you know that there's a law in Nigeria whereby citizens are given right to access information? Freedom of Information Act FOI 8 2011 is a law that was enacted in Nigeria whereby citizens are given right to access information from government agencies, parastatals, federal civil service, public and private sector organizations providing public services. Everyone is entitled to access information subject to specific exemptions in the custody of any public institutions, private institutions utilizing public funds, performing public functions, and providing public services. In respect of the FOIA 2011, Section 1 provides that every citizen is entitled to have access to any records or information under the control of the government or under the control of the public institution. Everyone can enjoy open access to information such as health, social development, public budgeting, public procurement, and asset declaration of serving public officials, and so on. Section 2, Sub 1 of the Act requires a public institution to keep records and ensure that its activities, operations, and businesses are known to the public. Section 3, Sub 3 of the Act allows an illiterate or disabled applicant to request for information through a third party. Section 4, Sub 1 of the Act provides that everyone is entitled to receive a request for information within 7 days. Section 7 of the Act provides that when a public institution refuses to give access to information, the public institution shall by a written notice state the reasons or grounds for refusal of the application. The applicant has the right to challenge the grounds for refusal or have it reviewed by the court. Section 7 Sub 5 of the Act provides that where a case of denial of information is established, the defaulting officer or public institution will be liable on conviction to a fine of 500,000 naira. Section 10 of the Act makes it a criminal offense punishable with a minimum of 1 year imprisonment with no option of fine for any public officer or head of public institution who willfully destroy any record kept in his custody or attempt to doctor or otherwise alter same before they are released to any person, entity, or community applying for it. By virtue of Section 27 of this Act, whistleblowers and public officers who release information to the public are protected, as no civil or criminal proceedings can be instituted against them for releasing such information. However, there are some exceptions to that effect. Section 11 prevents a public institution from disclosing any information which may be injurious to the conduct of the international affairs and the defense of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Section 12 provides that an application for information relating to records of public institution or relating to administrative, investigative, or enforcement of proceedings may be denied if it will affect the pending proceedings or may jeopardize the ongoing investigation or security of the public institutions. Section 14 of the Act prevents the public institution from having access to personal information or matters touching on personal privacy.